Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am gonna give you guys my 30-day update on the Halo Kiwi. Okay guys, so I finished this bottle yesterday, so it's been 30 days. I think I skipped a day or two. I probably just forgot to take it that day, but I did finish the full bottle. As you guys can see, it's empty. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sylvia. I do have two other videos on Halo Kiwi, so I will link up here and then the description box below. One is unboxing Halo Kiwi. The second one is my 2-week update. So if you want to check those out, I will link them below. So the biggest difference that I mainly see with my skin is that I haven't had a crazy breakout. Usually I will get like a huge pimple one day. I noticed that since taking Halo Kiwi, I haven't had a crazy breakout. On my last video, I did tell you guys that I was getting a few breakouts, but there were small breakouts and I think they were due to stress. And I was mainly getting them around right here on my forehead, but I also feel like my hair might have had a factor in that, because when you don't wash your hair and your hair gets really oily right here, you can get oils right here on your forehead once it starts building up under your skin and with dirt and things like that. And sometimes when I start seeing a breakout, I feel like it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger, but they did not. What I also noticed is that any scars or breakouts that I do get, they're kind of healing a little bit faster, so I don't get like a really dark mark. Big difference that I've seen, and I will put a before and after picture here. From the first day that I started taking Halo Kiwi to the last day, I feel like I have a little bit more color to my skin, and I haven't been out in the sun, I haven't tanned, I haven't applied self tanner or anything like that. I feel like my cheeks are a little bit more rosy. I just don't feel like I look as pale as I did before taking Halo Kiwi, which I really like that a lot. My skin right here feels a lot smoother. I do still have texture here on my forehead. The bumps that I was talking about that on my last video right here on my chin, they still look the same from my 2-week update, but they haven't gotten worse, so that is a good thing. And by the way guys, I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I only filled in my eyebrows. I'm wearing just a little bit of mascara, gloss, and that's it. All I have is like my moisturizers and serums on my skin and sunblock. Halo Kiwi does mention that it minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. I'm not too sure if it has done that, because I can still see some of my fine lines that I have here on my forehead. I don't really see a big difference in fine line. I don't know if it just takes a longer period of taking Halo Kiwi to see difference. I feel like I do have more of a glow to my skin. Like, it doesn't look dry. It feels pretty hydrated. As far as like seeing just a really huge difference, like my skin has totally cleared up, I don't see that, but I can definitely see a difference on my before and after, that my skin just doesn't look as pale as it did. Like, I just more alive, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's pretty much all the updates that I have for you guys. Will I buy Halo Kiwi again? I actually am going to order another bottle. I just really want to see how my skin looks after taking 2 bottles of Halo Kiwi. So if you guys want to see another video of finishing my 2nd bottle of Halo Kiwi and coming back on here and giving you guys an update, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was like a short video, but I really just wanted to show you guys my before and after pictures, because that's what really tells like the difference and the truth. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I really want to hear what your guys' thoughts are. Are you gonna try Halo Kiwi? Have you tried Halo Kiwi and seen a huge difference? Skin is just something that I invest more money in, just because I really want to take care of my skin. So I really don't mind paying the price for Halo Kiwi. I will definitely be ordering this again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.